Nationwide, there are probably 20 shops that are an all-in-one operation. We're able to do the large stuff. Most of those other shops, they want to do 1,000 pieces of small stuff. We can handle all of your big stuff. Hi, Stephen Bro with 4B Plastics here. We specialize in compression molding of Teflon products for the petrochemical market. The first question is that injection molded? Answer is no. We compression mold from PTFE powder. So basically we're taking powder, putting it in a mold, and compressing it 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 pounds depending on the size of the piece. And then we put it in our industrial ovens and bake it on site. We bake all of our products at 760 degrees for anywhere from a day up to 3 days, depending on the thickness of the product. And when you bake Teflon, if you were to open the oven doors, it's crystal clear. You can see through it, it looks like a jelly. Now we also machine all of the other plastics on the market, but Teflon is our main derivative for the petrochemical industry. Anything from small rods up to 1 inch all the way to 42 inches. We do CNC machining and manual machining. There are a lot of machine shops that are afraid to cut plastic. There's a little trick to getting it and getting a smooth surface. So when it comes to the petrochemical world, finished product has to be gate smooth. 2 to 5 thousandths is what we guarantee. And that's with all of the plastics that we machine, whether it be Teflon, HDPE, UHMW. We currently supply about 1,260 petrochemical plants nationwide. This is actually a peak ball valve seat. It's been machined from a solid tube. Finished product has several angles cut for relief on the backside. These are lantern rings. Any pump that you have has either a metal or a Teflon lantern ring in it. Holes allow fluid to circulate around the pump shaft, keeping it cool and lubricated. This is machined. Inline filter. So if you're mixing two chemicals together, this will actually slide into the end of a valve. This gets filtered. Eventually these get pulled out and cleaned. Therefore you have no contaminants entering your finished product. And we've done these as long as 20 feet. Well, all of our waste, like this product here, once I finish cutting this piece, the flakes that come off of it is actually ground and recycled. That's one of the secret ingredients in Slick 50 oil treatment and other oil additives as well. If it's not used to make a rod or a tube, all of the waste goes in for recycling 100%. So it's a fully recyclable product. The food grade industry is starting to switch a little more to the Teflon. We do some drive gear products like you see here. This is actually for a food company where the mashed peppers drops in, so it drives it out the end. V-ring packing, if you can see this, has a peak on one end and a trough on the other. In the ball valve world, the ball of the valve would sit into this ball valve seat. Where your stem is to turn the valve open and closed, you put packing in place and it's compressed with the bolts so that you don't have leakage up the stem, and it's still very smooth and you get a smooth rotation. Any Teflon needs you have in the business, we'd love to prototype your one of or make thousands of parts for you.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.